Stop scrolling. Restaurant owners are losing $50K annually to 3 hidden profit killers. Food waste is silently draining your inventory. Operational inefficiencies are bleeding your budget dry. And the revolving door of staff turnover that's costing you thousands in training and lost productivity, these 3 threats aren't just eating your profits. They're threatening your business's survival. At Vanguard Food and Beverage Think Tank, we've helped restaurants reduce service time by 25% and increase revenue by 20% within just 3 months. Our expert consultants identify exactly where your operation is leaking money and implement proven strategies to plug those holes fast. We're your corporate food and beverage team on demand when you need support without the annual overhead. Schedule your free consultation today at VanguardFoodAndBeverageThinkTank.com. Vanguard F&B Think Tank, your corporate food and beverage team on demand when you need support without the annual overhead.